Yes, today we are going to discuss some problem based on principle of mathematical induction. So first problem under this category is 5 raised the power 2n plus 2 minus 24n minus 25 is divisible by 576. Now first of all let us check the result for n is equal to 1. So put n is equal to 1, so after calculation we will be getting 576. So result is true for n is equal to 1. Now let us assume the result is true for k, so put n is equal to k. So let us suppose this is equal to 576m. Now finding the value for 5 raised to the power 2k plus 2. So we will be obtaining equation number 1. Now put n is equal to k plus 1 in this equation. So let us check the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So it is 5 raised to the power 2k plus 2, or again plus 2 minus 24 into k plus 1 minus 25. So now I want to represent this 5 raised to the power 2k plus 2 here, so that I can put value from this equation number 1. So I am applying law of exponent and writing this term as this. So putting the value from equation number 1, again I am reminding you that don't actually multiply these two numbers, because our target is to take 576 common from every term. So I am opening the bracket and symbolically writing the term in multiplied form. So now take 24k common from these two terms, and rest we can just simplify because these are just integers, so that we are left with 576m into 25, 24k common, so 25 minus 1 in the bracket and plus 576, so that this is 576, this is 576, and 24 into 24 is 576. So I can take 576 common from every term, hence it is proved that it is divisible by 576. Students, I told you that please remember that these are the questions in practice form, so I am not writing the proper wording, and I have told you in my last lectures, last videos, that how to attempt question in proper wording, so you can see those videos. So that is why I am just writing the technical terms here, not formal wording. Now next is again proved by PMI that 11 raised to the power n plus 2 plus 12 raised to the power 2n plus 1 is divisible by 133. So put n is equal to 1, so it is 11 cube plus 12 cube, which is 3059, and when it will be divisible by 133, so quotient is 23 and remainder is, just wait please, so quotient is 23 and remainder is 0, so clearly it is divisible by 133. Next we will assume the result is true for n is equal to k, that means this is equal to 133m. Now from here I want to write the value of this, because this looks like a greater term as compared to 11 raised to the power k plus 2. So this is my equation number 1. Now for n is equal to k plus 1, I am writing 2 in the bracket k plus 1 and 11 raised to the power k plus 3. Now next I am just putting the value of 12 raised to the power 2k plus 1 here. Again don't actually multiply 144 with 133, just write this symbolically and try to take common 11 raised to the power k plus 2 from these two terms. So inside the bracket it is 11 minus 144, which is minus 133. Finally we can take 133 common from these two terms, so that we can write 133 144m minus 11 raised to the power k plus 2 in the bracket, so it is divisible by 133. Next question is little bit different. It's a divisibility kind question, but expression is different. It is n into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 is divisible by 6. This we have to prove. For n is equal to 1 we are getting 0, and as it's a fact that 0 is divisible by every number, so we can say that 0 is divisible by 6 also. Result is true for n is equal to 1. Now for n is equal to k, let us assume the result is true for n is equal to k. That means this is equal to 6m. Now here main thing is that I should open the bracket and try to obtain the value of the highest or greatest term, highest power term or greatest term. So it is 2k cube is equal to 6m plus 3k square minus k. Let this be my equation number 1. Now for n is equal to k plus 1, what I am doing, I am putting n is equal to k plus 1 here, and then I will try to prove that this is divisible by 6. So I am putting n is equal to k plus 1 everywhere. This is the required expression. Now just open the bracket. Now here I am getting 2k cube. So it's time to prove its value from equation number 1. That is this equation to this expression. Now putting the value here, cancelling the unlike terms and adding the like terms, so we can get 6 common from every term. So it is clear that it is divisible by 6. So that's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.